Hi everyone, today I'd like to share with you guys the 2018 Toyota HiAce. It's talking about the tips with the how do you remove and install with the brake rotors. I believe a lot of people get angry, so how to get rid of this rotor. So I'm gonna show you the tips, nice and easy. So first of all, to that angle, go that way in and slide it back to here. Again, that one angle is wider, smaller. So cross this one here first, lift up, remove. So that's the new one. Show you again. See? Yeah, because a lot of people just getting in trouble, get anger. So that's it. Have a good one.